My pockets, they always so empty. All my money flows right down the drain, and I can't count the times that my mind started thinking there's just no way out of this place. And as I walk this city, I feel that madness pulsing beneath my feet. With all them cars racing around, homeless people on the ground. Is this beast or some machine? Now winter time has come. It seems like the sun has forsaken my name. When all them clouds come around, they're gonna sink my spirit down and blanket me with these blues. With these blues. Now I come from way out in the east, and I found myself way out in the west. I've been lost inside the cities, I've seen the underside of this great American dream. And Lord, how we have taken, we have shaken the very hills of this land. And I do not believe we can wash our souls free of all the sins of our forefathers. Yeah, time is our great taker. She's gonna brand us with the marks of all change. So how dare we have to go to think that after all we're gonna be here when it all ends. When it all ends. And I can't help but feel broken, for these songs will only heal so much pain. In this world we'll find some way of driving you around just like some runaway train. But I'm gonna keep my heart wide open. I'm gonna cast all my sorrows to the sea. For there just ain't no use in wasting time away on all the things that you cannot change. Yeah, today I woke up crying, and I will until the day of my dying. So please tell me what to do for to keep on staying true beneath these great northern rains.